Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. We're out in the field, early summer, and I am planting a succession of cilantro. This was planted 3-4 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks ago. So it's like once a month I'll do it. It's been a little cold, so it's growing slowly, but a great way to do cilantro is with paper pots. I do them in 2-inch pots, either 3 to 4 rows per bed. Sometimes outside I'll do 3, but you can do 4. And it makes it really productive because when you plant cilantro with a cedar, like a chang or something, it takes so long to germinate and get to, even a small size like this. That's a lot of time for weeds to take over. It's also taking up valuable real estate on your farm rather than just sitting on a table in the prop house. And you run the risk of bad germination because you're going to have to keep it watered, really well watered, so that you get really good germination. This, you know when it germinates. So like if I'm doing 3 rows per bed, I'll actually start 4 trays because this is 2-inch. 44-foot rows, so it's each one of these rows in the bed is 1 tray. So 3 trays will fit in a row. So I'll do 4 trays. That just, for me, with something that doesn't germinate so well, I just feel better about. So if I have a tray that didn't germinate well, I don't have to use it. It just guarantees I'll have cilantro, because cilantro is a very profitable herb, right? You can, in a bed like this, once they get like this big, you can get 2-3 cuttings out of it, and you're going to get a bunch, every few inches, so you're just going to be getting bunch. And, to market, I'll take, 100 or more bunches. So it's just a great earner. So that's why I do it with paper pots, a little bit of added expense, but you save so much time and labor, and you just increase profit by reducing risk. So I just do it I'll do a grid. I'll do the gritter 3x3. So I'll put 3 rows on a 30-inch bed. I use a string since these are permanent no-till beds. And yeah, pretty simple. Okay, so that's 3 rows on a bed. It's ready to go. In a few weeks we will have cilantro now that the weather's warming up. I want to show you a little trick at the end. So you can see these were not, it was just a bad takeoff or something, but I just use a zipper. Go ahead and bury them just like that. So simple, right? Because you want them to survive, right? You grew them to this stage, you spent the time planting them, right? Just give them a little touch up. No big deal. I mean, you're standing anyway, so it ain't nothing. All right, so the important thing, anytime you're planting, use sprinklers to water them in, because you want to fill in the air spaces, give them a drink really, really quickly, saturate the soil, especially if it's a hot day. So I'm gonna get my tools out of here and turn the sprinklers on. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about paper pots or the system or anything, just, give me a comment below, and maybe we get an idea for another video. Till next time.